Mama Strong. My name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. So today's video is actually my fall 2021 beauty and lifestyle, maybe a little bit of fashion video. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start with Amazon. Actually, my husband accidentally got me two. So yes, my husband got it for me, but it's still a haul, right? Anyways, these, you wanna know what these are? These are actually a reusable makeup remover pads. They call it makeup remover, but for me it's like reusable cotton pads type of thing. So so there's actually 18 pieces in each one of them, and when you open it up it looks like this. So it was nice earlier, it was put nicely, but you know what I mean, it's life. Anyways, so I already used it and so I have a little review for you, but this is how it looks like. And if you look it up close, it's almost like a towel type of material. Yes, my nails are growing, but yeah, it's like a towel type of material. So it's not as soft as my AOA Studio ones. Those ones are like the softest ones. These ones are a little rough, so it's like if you need like an extra exfoliation while you use your toner or you remove your makeup, or you use like micellar water with it and remove it, then it will to do its job. So anyways, I have an extra one. I don't know what to do with this yet, if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna do a giveaway with this, but yeah, keep an eye on my Instagram. I probably will do the giveaway there. So anyways, or Facebook. So that's that. The next thing is actually my Dossier perfume. Yes, Dossier was nice enough to send me another perfume, and who am I to say no, right? It's perfume. And if you guys don't know, Dossier is like a company that does like dupe perfume from high-end perfumes, and they have also their very unique packaging. All of them looks like this with the very nice closure. And I really like that closure, by the way. And yeah, it's affordable, and also they are environmental friendly and clean and everything. That's nice, and you know, it would still smell good. So you guys already have seen me talk about like two of their perfumes before. So today I'm gonna talk to you about the powdery Hawthorn. Okay, so powdery Hawthorn. Excuse my pronunciation if it's wrong, but this is how it looks like. So like you just hear, it's a powdery perfume. This was actually one of their best sellers for fall perfume. That's why I got it. They have like they send me a little sample here, and then they send me the big one. If you like powdery type of scent, if you like more fall type of scent, you'll like this. For me, I feel like this is only good for nighttime, and also it's better for like elderly people than like people my age, just because I don't know, I feel like it's more for like more mature people, if you know what I mean, look like your grandma or somebody like that. So it's not really my favorite. I like their other perfumes better, but it's not that bad at all if you like that type of scent. I was just curious about like the powdery type of scent. I want to see how it will smell like on me. And then it comes with this box. It actually comes with another box inside, but I don't know where my kids put it. You know how it is. And then it comes with this beautiful box that says Dossier in here, and then it's inside. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to get a little bit of discount on Dossier perfume. I believe it's only limited time, so if you want to get your own, just make sure you get it ASAP. But yeah, I'm always grateful when companies send me like good products for me to try and talk to you guys about. So thank you, Dossier, for sending it to me. Next thing. Alright, so next company, next place is Bath and Body Works. Alright, so this is not so much like a beauty thing. That's why I put it like a lifestyle type of thing, because these are hand soap. Yes, you guys, hand soap. So they have the buy 4 for 20 type of thing. They always have that. But first I'm gonna talk about this You're the One. Have you guys ever tried this? Oh my god. So before, if you have watched me for years, I've used to always like the more like sweet candy type of scent. It's like, oh, that's my thing. And then as soon as like I got older, I became a mom or whatever, and now I'm 30, no big deal. I like more like musky, feminine but strong, like mature type of scent. This is it. If you want to know like my favorite scent of the moment, this is it. So obviously if I'm gonna do a current favorite, you'll see this in there. But anyways, this is the You're the One by Bath and Body Works. This is their fragrance mist, and obviously this is in the travel size, and I love this. I have this by the door, so if anytime I forgot to like spray something on, I will always reach for this. Like this, like it's kind of strong. Like I said, I like more strong, mature, musky type of scent now, but still feminine, and it won't give you a headache. You know those like perfume that's just straight up give you a headache? I can't deal with those. But anyways, this one is so good. So yeah, if you want to know my favorite scent, if you want to know my type of personality, go to Bath and Body Works and give this a sniff, because girl, this is it. Anyways, moving on to the hand soaps. So I first got these two for the kids' bathroom, because we have two bedroom, two bath in our condo. So whoa, what is going on here? Okay, so the first one is this white coconut caramel, and I just love the packaging. It's very gentle and it's very nice for like kids' bathroom, you know what I mean? This is from the White Barn collection, both of them, and the other one is the Cozy Cashmere. So both of them smell like very gentle, kiddish type of scent, and that's why I got them for my kids' bathroom. Okay, moving on. The next two. The first one is actually, I'm pretty sure everybody does this, but this is for my kitchen. This is the Gentle and Clean by Bath and Body Works. This is the foaming hand soap, kitchen lemon. So yeah, I think this is like back to the original packaging. I think it was originally like this, and then they keep on changing it. You know how they repackage things and then they bring it back a little bit, and yeah. But anyways, so I think this is one of my favorite scent for them. I can't really smell anything else but this right now. But yeah, I can't wait to put this in my kitchen. All my soaps are like running out right now, so it's a good thing that I got those. And then last but not least, I have my classic Blossom by Bath and Body Works also, and this one has essential oil. Doesn't all of them? This one doesn't have sulfates or dyes, and the other two have essential oil as well. So anyways, let me see how this smells like, if I can. Okay, so this one is more on the a little bit of citrus. Well, obviously, oh, Cactus Blossom, my bad. Cactus Blossom. How cute this packaging is. Almost matches my shirt. Okay, so yeah, this one is almost on the like more citrusy scent, which I love. I don't really love anything sweet nowadays for like anything in my house, except maybe the kids' bathroom. It's fine, like they have like those fruity scents, it's all right. But yeah, that one is more citrusy. Cozy Cashmere, so this might be like cozy. Yeah, it's more like those type of thing you use for like detergent, like liquid detergent for babies. It smells a little bit like that. Cashmere, so it's like soft and mellow. Let's see how the white coconut. Oh, okay. So I don't think I smelled this in store, because if I did, I wouldn't have bought this. But this is it smells just like caramel, so it's sweet. This is on the sweet scent for sure. But you all know how this smells like. I mean, it's one of their best-selling product ever, right? Okay, so that's about lifestyle, and let's move on to Tory Burch. I think this is actually my last my last haul in this video. So check this out, you guys. How cute is she, huh? So obviously the other pair is right here, but I love this, you guys. If you guys are in Hawaii, we have the outlet called Waikele. Give it a thumbs up if you know what Waikele outlet is. But anyways, I only have been to Waikele like 3 times my whole life in Hawaii, and I've been in Hawaii for like more than 10 years. Yeah, like I don't know, but I've been here for a long time. Anyways, yeah, so when we went to our Waikele like a couple weeks ago, and went to Tory Burch, and my husband just spoiled me a little bit, and we got this. I've been looking for like an everyday type of sandal that's not flat, but it's not also like more comfortable to walk in, because it's gonna be every day. So that's what I got. So every time, you know, on my husband's day off, or on Sundays, or just any time I don't want to wear socks and shoes, I wear those, and it's perfect. And then the last thing that I got from Tory Burch, because I returned 2 of them. Do you guys ever have like those associates that like try to like make a sale and like, you know, make you like get you like buy things that on sale right now? Like, oh, we have this purse and this wallet for on sale right now, together they're only this much, and you're like, yeah, okay, but it was not really in your, you know, intention to purchase extra things. Well, it got to me, but then after that I'm like, nah, I don't want it. So yeah, my husband returned it. Anyways, I got this pair of sandals right here. It looks brand new, but actually I've worn it once already. This is also Tory Burch, and it's size 5 medium. It looks like I never wore it. Yeah. So if you guys buy, once again, I got this because it's not completely flat. You know, I'm a petite person. And you know, it's funny, actually Tory Burch is made in China, you guys. I didn't know that. But yeah, it has a little Tory Burch sign here, and it's pretty much a flip-flop for like the pool or the beach, or you can wear it as like a house slipper if you want. I'm thinking of giving this to my friend, just because she has the same shoe size as me, but also because I don't know, my feet look a little bit fatter in them. Okay, even the sales associates were asking if I wanted to size 6 instead, because the size 5 was like, it's just too there, so that my feet don't, I don't know, it was like too tight, like too just, like it wasn't really fitting well. Even now, like I tried to like fit my foot in there, and like it's not really there. It's like too, yeah, anyways. So maybe a size 6 would have worked better. So if you're trying to buy those type of slipper, maybe get a size higher or one more size up. I mean, I'm naturally now I'm size 5.5, you guys. Yeah, I know. I was size 5 before, even like 4.5, and then I don't know what happened. I guess motherhood happened, so now I'm 5.5 for most cases. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, that's pretty much it, Mama Strong, before I start rumbling. Yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Next week's video, we're gonna do like a little bit of different things, yeah, you'll see what happens. I don't know if I can post 2 videos a week or just stick to the one, because I'd rather give you guys quality video than, you know.
I don't even know if the camera catches that like big airplane passing by. We're by the airport, so it's bound to happen, but I have to film.
Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. It will help YouTube push out my channel, my videos. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It will do the same. It will help YouTube push out my videos so more people will find it and enjoy it. Or if you want to share the video, thank you so much. And if you want to share the video, thank you so much already, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.